Today I'm going to show you how to replace the little battery in your Audi key. This key works on a lot of different Audis, so if your key looks like this, then you're golden, and this is how we replace the battery. There's a little button right here. Push that in and pull these two pieces apart. That's your key. Put that off to the side. Now flip it over and you'll see another button on this side, and you'll push that all the way down and then again separate two pieces. And it's a little bit more difficult than separating out that key because they have a little O-ring here to seal off any moisture. Right here is your battery. So you want to pull that out, and it is a CR2032 type battery, and you can get them off of Amazon in a 10-pack. And if you're feeling like splurging, you can get the Duracells. Not sure if they last any longer, but I will link to both of them in the description to this video. We're going to take our new battery, positive side down, and you'll notice that there's two little contacts right here. We're just going to slip that battery right in. It clicks into place and it's all flush, and we can take our key and put that right back in. Now you'll notice a little red light blink here letting you know that that is a good battery and it has power. Push that into place, listen for the click, then take your physical key, slide that back in, listen for the click. And that's it. You have replaced the battery on your Audi key and you are good to go. I hope this video helped you out, and I will catch you in the next one. Here's a bonus for you. These keys are very susceptible to what's called a relay attack, which basically means your car can easily be stolen, but it is impossible to steal it via the relay attack if you have what is called a Faraday pouch. Whenever I'm not using the car, I always put my key in a Faraday pouch, whether or not I'm going into a store or in my house. And I will link to this exact pouch in the description to this video. I think it's like 10 bucks. It's very worth it, so you don't come out of the store and your car is gone, or come out in the morning and your car is gone from your house. Hope this video helped you out. I'll catch you in the next one.